Hello everyone, we have started 7th chapter in geography of unit number 6 of class 10 NCRT, that is lifelines of national economy. In that we have studied, we use different materials and services in our daily life. Then we have studied figure number 7.1, means of transportation. In that we have studied land transport, air transport and water transport. Then we have studied modes of transportation system in our. In that, first, road transportation. In road transportation we have studied importance of road transport in the country. Then we have studied classification of road transport. There are 6 classes we have studied. Second, that is railway transportation. Third one, pipeline transportation. And fourth one, waterways transportation we have studied. We will move towards the next part in this chapter, that is communication. Ever since human appeared on the earth, they have used different means of communication. But the pace of change has been rapid in modern times. Long distance communication is far easier without physical movement of the communicator and receiver. Personal communication and mass communication, including television, radio, press, films, etc., are the major means of communication in the country. The Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communications. Cards and envelopes are considered first class mail and are airlifted between stations covering both land and air. The second class mail includes book packets, register newspapers, and periodicals. They are carried by surface mail covering land and water transport to facilitate quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities. 6 mail channels have been introduced by recently. They are called Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk mail channel and Periodical channel. We will move towards the next slide. Here we will see Digital India program. Digital India is an umbrella program to prepare India for a knowledge-based transformation. The focus of Digital India program is being transformative to realize, that is IT means Indian talent plus IT information technology is equal to IT means India tomorrow, and is on making technology central to enabling change. Here we will see figure number 7.10, that is emergency call box on National Highway number 8. We will move towards the next slide. India has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. Excluding urban places, more than two-thirds of the villages in India have already been covered with a subscriber trunk dialing, that is STD telephone facility, in order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level. The government has made special provision to extend 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country. There is a uniform rate of STD facilities all over India. It has been made possible for integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. We will move towards the next slide. Mass communication. Mass communication provides entertainment and create awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspapers, magazines, books, and films. All India Radio means Akashvani broadcast a variety of programs in national, regional, and local languages for various categories of people spread over different parts of the country. Doordarshan, the national television channel of India, is one of the largest terrestrial networks in the world. It broadcasts a variety of programs from entertainment, educational to sports, etc. For people of different age groups, India publishes a large number of newspapers and periodicals annually. They are of different types depending upon their periodicity. Newspapers are published in about 100 languages and dialects. Did you know that the largest number of newspapers published in the country are in Hindi, followed by English and Urdu? Yes, is it right? India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. It produces short films, video feature films, and video short films. The Central Board of Film Certification is the authority to certify both Indian and foreign films. We will move towards the next slide. In this way, we have learned innovation in communication system. Then we have studied Indian Postal Network, 6 mail channels, digital program, telecom sector, and mass communication system. We will move towards the next slide. Here, one question is there. Please student, pause the video and write down the question. Question is, write in a long communication system in India. Means this is a broad question for you. Please write the answers and send our WhatsApp group. If you have any problem, please ask your queries. We will solve it. And for this PPT, I have prepared by taking textbook and World Wide Web. Thank you.